Hey, everyone. I know I said that I wasn't going to upload until probably next week, but today I did something that I really think you all should witness. Base Data 007 here. Today I'm going to take you on a little journey through a construction site. This is one of my favorite things to do, as well as one of my favorite things to do as a kid. Just hope no one can see me. Better be careful. There's stuff that can hurt me. Still trying to figure out science behind all this. Structure. Let's just hope no one can see me again. Yeah, he'll be back now. But, Harry, I've reached the top. Which means, I gotta get out of here quick, or someone sees me. Let's get back down to the bottom. Make a run for it.